So as you can see today, we have a little bit different setup. We're not working on the engine directly, we are going to work on a data logger.
So the complex part of this whole build was gathering the components, and as you can see, there is a lot of them. But I went to digikey.com and everything was really easy to find. They shipped it very well. As you can see, they're all in electrostatic bags. They're very well labeled, and I was able to track everything. They actually arrived quicker than I thought, so good props on DigiKey for that.
Something else that'll help us along these lines is my digital soldering station. I had this in storage and completely forgot about it until I found it at a friend's house one day. So thank you, friend. Now, considering the load like this is pretty heavy and there's a lot of small parts, DigiKey sends you a bill of materials that you order. So do what I did. Go along and check mark along. Make sure you've got the correct quantity, the correct number you have, and just check it off. And that way you keep everything nice and tidy, and you know you got what you needed, and you're not struggling to remember, oh God, did I order this little part?
And here is the main portion of our project, the actual data logger board. Now, I found this as a homebrewed project. It's all schematics and it's all different plans, but everything is tidied up in files that you need, from the code to the schematics to send off to a manufacturer to get the board printed. It was all there for you, and I'll provide links in the description for it. Overall, it was a really easy process to get this board cut. I didn't have any problems with it, really. It was a shot in the dark that I would get it done correctly, but it worked. The board works in conjunction with a Raspberry Pi computer. So the sensors read all the data that you want from the engine. The board processes it and then throws it onto the Raspberry Pi for further processing and data logging so that you can keep all of that data.
Also, everything is labeled very clearly. It's very easy to read, and compared to the schematics, everything matches up pretty well. Now we're here, so we're going to build the data logger and solder all the components together that we got, and cross our fingers that it works. See right there? That right there is a mark denoting the front. And if you want to look on here, the drawing matches. So you want to put it with that mark facing the mark. And there you go. It's facing front, which this has to come in a little bit. There we go. Now we chop it in there. I can hold it like that. Now we're going to do some gymnastics, because I'm going to hold it like that, and I'm going to hold the solder like this. We're going to solder the first pin in, and we're going to see how well that works. Gotta do my gymnastics one more time.
What does that piece look like?
It's a MOSFET chip. Let me see. It's a tiny, tiny one.
Mm-hmm.
It's number 296-24934-1ND. 296-24934-1ND. This one.
It's blue.
Yeah. Oh. Okay.
It
No.
just makes contact?
Yeah, it just makes contact.
Where does it hold into? You solder in on the chip?
Yeah, you solder it in right there and it just makes contact. That is... Oh, man. We may not be equipped to do it.
That's how small it is. It's inside.
Oh, that is depressing. How did he do that?
It looks like he might have saddled, gone sideways, and that right there.
Yeah.
That might be one of the first components you put in with your, because I don't even see a solder point on that first one. You see?
Oh, it's not, I did everything underneath.
Oh, I got you.
Yeah.
I could just see a little crest on the others besides that one.
But yeah, those are the leads on top of it right there, and
Yeah,
it sits.
Yep.
Okay. I'm not equipped to do this in my current state. I'll have to look up how to do this. So, can't finish because there's parts that are too small for me to solder with a normal soldering iron. I don't know how to do that yet. I'm going to do some more research on the internet, see if there's a way. If not, I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I think I got it a little over my head, but there's always a way. We'll figure it out, and we'll at least have an episode for Wednesday too. You doing okay? Tim! Hey buddy. What's up? I agree.